Again, first write homework. Monday, practice whatever taught in class. Second, DPP 3, 1 to 10 only. Tuesday. DPP 3, 11 to 30. Wednesday, practice whatever taught in class. DPP 04, 1 to 10. Thursday, DPP 04, 11 to 30. Friday, whatever taught in class plus homework of gravitation. In gravitation sheet we have homework also. Saturday, again homework of gravitation. Sunday, we will have test on gravitation. And no homework given, so that if there is any backlog you can clear on that day. Write this homework properly, then I am starting with the chapter. That is gravitation. I am moving further. Written? Everybody is written?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Just open the PDF which I have sent you. We did till 7 or till 9? No, till 8.
8.
Till 8 we did. Till 8. As I earlier also told, very important chapter for entrance. Those who are trying for CET, first chapter, second chapter is not there. Third chapter is also not there. From law of motion will be there in CET. But in JEE NEET it is full. 9. 2-point masses 100 kg and 25 kg are situated at distance of 2-point masses 100 kg and 25 kg are situated at 2 points 2 meter apart. The gravitational potential midway between them. Midway means, can I say center? Midway, can we say center? Hello? Midway, can we say center?
Yes, sir.
So we,
Yes, sir.
yeah, so we want gravitational potential at center. What is distance of C from A? Can I take 1 meter?
Yes, sir.
And from B also it is 1 meter. Now gravitational potential is due to mass at A plus mass है v. Formula for gravitational potential, if you can recollect, it is minus g into mass upon distance. Minus g into mass upon distance. Are you able to remember that formula? Gravitational.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So minus g, common I am taking, m1 is 100, r1 is 1, plus m2 is 25, r1 is 1. So this is minus g into 125. G means 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into 125. Now 125 table say you can multiply 6.67, or you can take this is close to 7, so answer less than आएगा जो भी आप करोगे. If I take
833.
833, you are getting into 10 raised to minus 11. Option is there, 833 into 10 raised to minus 11.
Option D, sir.
Yes, sir.
Option D.
Option D. Avan, how was yesterday's paper?
Sir, easy. It was easy.
Easy.
Passed this sum in the last studies test.
What you are saying?
Yesterday's test, you have asked this.
Same paper.
हाँ sir, यही question था.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. This one. Okay. Okay.
Done, sir.
Next one will be, if the radius of planet is, if radius of planet is 5 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Radius of planet 5 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Its mean density rho 5600 kg per meter cube, and G is 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 11 in MKS unit. Then gravitational potential at a point on the surface. Gravitational potential at a point on the surface. So gravitational potential is G into mass into distance. Surface ka distance from center is R. So minus G, mass is rho into 4 by 3 pi R cube upon R. So this will become R square. Now minus 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 11. Rho is 5600 into 4 by 3 pi into R square, which is 5 into 10 raised to 6 ka square. 3 into 2.2. So we get this as minus 2.2 into 5.6 into 10 raised to 3 I am doing, into 10 raised to minus 11, 4 into pi 22 by 7, into 5 square 25 into 10 raised to 12. 7 into 0.8. 22 into 22 is 484 after one digit decimal, so point. Into 25 into 4 is 100, 100 into 12 will become 14, 14 and 3 will become 17, 17 minus 11 will become 6, and that 0.8 extra is equals to minus of 8 fours are 32, 8 into 8 64 and 3 67 carry 6, 8 fours are 32 and 6 is 38 after 2 digit decimal into 10 raised to 6, that means minus 3.872 into 10 raised to 7. Just check close to this we have option D, which is given 3.9 into 10 raised to 7. This is the only matching one. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
3.872 rounded off as 3.9 into 10 raised to 7 with minus sign.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have to go.
I told you you can leave.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
When is your chemistry class? What which days?
Uh, Sir, Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
So today I have my college first introduction part.
Hmm.
So can I leave at 11:55?
Yes, yes.
Done, sir.
Next. Next. The gravitational potential energy of body at a distance r from center of the earth is u. Gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy u is minus gmm upon distance from the center, that is r. What will be the weight of at distance capital R? Weight means mg. So g into m is nothing but r square g. On the surface of earth, acceleration due to gravity is g into m upon r. Now minus mg indicates weight directed towards center of earth. So I can say u is weight we want, w r square upon r. So weight will be u r upon r square. U r upon r square, option B, important one. Since we wanted weight, I know weight on the surface is mg. So I converted capital G into capital M as r square g by this formula. Small g is gm upon capital R.
Done, sir.
Next. The gravitational potential of particle at height h above the earth's surface is how much if m is mass, r is radius, rho is the density. Gravitational potential is minus gm upon distance, which is r plus h. So this is minus g. In terms of density, mass will become rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube upon r plus h. So minus 4 by 3 pi g rho r cube upon r plus h. Check where it is present. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube g rho r cube. That is option C. Thirteenth. A piece of work falls vertically on a satellite. Satellite revolves in circular orbit. If something falls on this, work means it will produce displacement. So it will come in the other orbit. If it is coming in other orbit, then it will follow spiral path and comes back on the earth. Because its orbit is disturbed, then it will start losing the energy, following spiral path comes on the earth. So option D. They say work is falling. Work is falling means work is producing displacement. That means it will come down. If it is coming down, that means it will perform circular motion. It will follow spiral path and come back.
But sir,
Huh?
they are talking about a piece of work,
That means small work.
even though the small work affects, right?
If it is very large, then it will directly fall vertically downward. No?
Okay.
हेलो हाँ हाँ मैडम बोलो अच्छा ओके 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 ठीक है, कोई कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा चलेगा, मैं लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड करके भेज दूंगा, कोई बात नहीं। थैंक यू। कोई बात नहीं मैडम, कोई बात नहीं। हाँ नहीं, वेडनेसडे ज्वाइन करना है ना, वेडनेसडे भी लेक्चर। हाँ अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है, आप अपने कंफर्ट के हिसाब से ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं। ओके मैडम। A piece of 14th one, an astronaut orbiting around the earth, astronaut is orbiting around the earth 120 kilometer above the surface of earth, gently drops. What is meaning of gently dropping? Without force.
Really?
Short force, yes, sir.
मतलब कुछ फोर्स नहीं दिया, ऐसा हाथ में कुछ है उसको छोड़ दिया। Gently drops a ball out of the spaceship, एक बॉल ड्रॉप कर दिया। अभी did he give any force?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
What is force acting on that drop ball? Gravitational force ना,
Gravitation force.
जो उसके ऊपर भी एक्ट कर रहा था। तो इसके लिए ये बॉल भी क्या करेगा? इट विल कीप ऑन रिवॉल्विंग अलोंग विद द स्पेसक्राफ्ट, है ना? बिकॉज अगर पुश करता नीचे तो इट स्पाइरल फॉर्म करके नीचे आता था। सो इट विल बी सैटेलाइट द number 14, the ball will move along with the spaceship T, because only force acting is gravitational force. Since force acting is only gravitational force.
Sir,
हाँ,
can you explain again 14th one?
when a body is dropped gently, gently means no force is applied from astronaut. So only force applied is which force?
Gravitational force.
Due to gravitational, what is the satellite doing? Performing circular motion. So same way that ball will also perform circular motion, same as spaceship. That's why D.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. 15. Orbital velocity of artificial satellite in a circular orbit just above the Earth's surface. Just above the Earth's surface, orbital velocity is V naught. Just above the Earth's surface means radius of orbit is not r plus h but only r. That time its velocity, critical velocity is V naught. For satellite orbiting at altitude, that is radius, height, half of the radius, what will be the orbital velocity? So we know orbital velocity means critical velocity. It is root of gm by r. That means critical velocity of first upon second equals to radius of orbit of second to the first. First critical velocity v naught, second v bond. Radius of orbit, second wala is r plus h, first wala is r. So v naught upon v2 is r plus half of r divided by capital R in root. R plus half r will become 3 by 2 r divided by r in root. This is v naught upon vc2. So vc2 will be 2 by 3 in root into v naught. That is nothing but option A. Everybody has followed this, Aryan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Karan and Anna, any college has given any intimation when they are starting?
No, sir.
Okay. If you complete, please let me know.
Done, sir. The velocity of satellite depends on velocity of satellite depends upon, we know formula gm by r, which can be also written as r square gh upon r. So let us see what they have given. Acceleration due to gravity only? No, it is r plus acceleration due to gravity. Radius of the orbit only? No. Can I say acceleration due to gravity as well as that radius of the orbit? Hello?
Option C.
So can I say
Option C, sir.
option C? Yes. Satellite which is geostationary. What is meaning of geostationary satellite? Meaning of geostationary? Time period is 24 hours. This you have to remember.
24.
If geostationary you say time period is 24 hours, that should be in your brain. So geostationary in a particular orbit is taken to another orbit. Distance from the center of Earth in the new orbit is 2 times. So first there is one satellite which is geostationary. You take this satellite from one orbit to another where radius is given 2 times the original one. Then what is the new time period? Any relation between time period and orbital radius? Relation between time period and orbital radius? T square proportional to r cube. This is relation.
Yes, sir.
So T1 upon T2 square will be R1 upon R2 raised to 3. T1 is 24 hours. T2 we want. R1 is R. R2 is 2R. 2 cube means 8. So 24 upon T2 square is 1 by 8. I want T2, so taking square root. 24 upon T2 is 1 upon root of 8. Therefore, T2 is 24 root of 8. Root 8, can we write 2 root 2? Root 8, can we write 2 root 2? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will become 48 root 2 hours is the required answer. 48 root 2 hours option. Right.
I need to go.
Yes, yes. Those who are having any college work, they can leave. I am recording the lecture. Please watch it in the evening so that you are cleared with the sums.
Yes.
18th. Sum number 18. Any satellite moving around planet very near to its surface. See, whenever given very near to the surface, then R plus H will take as R. Has period of T, density rho, then what is value of rho T square? What is formula for time period of satellite in terms of T square?
Directly proportional to R cube.
Or 4 pi square R cube proportional when two values are given. Single, then full you have to
2
say.
pi root R by G.
Or I can say 4 pi square upon gm into r cube. Can I say like this?
Yes.
So T square is 4 pi square g, because we want answer in density. So rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube into this r cube. R cube cancel. 1 pi will get cancelled. 4 will get cancelled. So T square is 3 pi upon g rho. From this rho, T square is equals to 3 pi upon g. Now let us see what they have given. Depends upon mass of planet? No. Depends upon radius? No. It is universal constant. The value of rho T square is universal constant. That means 1 upon g. Completed 18th one.
Yes, sir.
Next one, gravitational acceleration on the surface of moon. So g not on earth but on moon is 1.7, they are telling, meter per second square. The radius of the moon is 1.7 into 10 raised to 6 meter. The period of satellite in a circular orbit of the moon is nearly how much? So period of satellite in moon's orbit will be 4 pi square upon g m into r of moon cube. So Tm square equals to 4 pi square. This gm will be r square into g, but both are of moon, into rm cube. So 1 r I can cancel with cube. So therefore we get T of satellite around moon is 2 pi root of Rm upon Gm. 2 pi root of R of moon is 1.7 into 10 raised to 6. G of moon 1.7. So 2 pi is 6.28 into 10 raised to 3 second. 6.28 into 10 raised to 3 second is option.
That's all.
Okay, next one. Slope of graph plotted between t square and r cube.
Option D.
Yeah,
Option D.
already
Option
we
D, sir.
discussed this. T is 4 pi square gm r cube. So when you plot the graph, this is taken along y, this is taken along x, this is m, which is called slope. So y equal to mx mein m is slope. So by comparing 4 pi square upon gm becomes slope, which is option D. Next one. Sum number 25. 21. Very. Imagine a light planet revolving very massive star in a circular orbit of radius r with period t. The gravitational force of attraction between the planet and the star is proportional to r raised to minus 5 by 2. Then t square is proportional to what? Then t square is proportional to what? T square means time square, huh? Hello? Sandesh, you are able to hear? Sandesh? Sandesh,
Yes.
whenever body is performing circular motion, it always requires which type of force? Body is performing circular motion.
Centripetal.
Very good. Centripetal force चाहिए. अभी that centripetal force can be provided by gravitational force, electrostatic force, tension in the string or friction. तो वो लोग ने बोला satellite is revolving in the orbit, gravitational force is proportional to r raised to minus 5 by 2. The gravitational force or any force किसको भी proportional रहने दो, but for circular motion fix है ये, F must be always equal to centripetal force. F must be always centripetal force, तो ही गोल घूमेगा. What is formula for centripetal force?
mv square by r.
M square by R.
देखो ये टाइम पूछा है ना, तो मैं ओमेगा में लिखता हूं. So can I say m omega square r? बराबर है ना, ये भी तो वही फॉर्मूला है ना.
Yes, sir.
So whatever force given, whatever, if body is performing circular motion, then that whatever I will write, that is m omega square r should be proportional to r raised to minus 5 by 2. So for circular motion, whatever force given, Please equate that with m omega square r or mv square by r or mv omega. All are formula for centripetal force. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अगर टाइम पीरियड नहीं रहता तो मैं v में लिखता, because omega and time period are related. Therefore, I started with omega. Who has not followed till this? Please tell honestly. Bagwe,
Yes, sir.
understood? Rajvardhan,
Yes, sir.
Swaraj.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any student, those who are having doubt in this concept, please tell.
Sir, I am.
Huh? You have doubt? Tell your name also. Who is that?
Ayman.
Ayman, huh? Ayman. ठीक है Ayman. Ayman. Hello Ayman. Hello Ayman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have just started circular motion chapter for you know in extra.
Yeah.
So whenever body performs circular motion, it requires one force. नाम क्या है उसका? Centripetal force. Formula है उसका m omega square r. ये आपको बाहर रखना है थोड़ा. जैसे सेकेंड लेक्चर का हो जाएगा ना एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर, तो आपको एक क्लियर हो जाएगा सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स का फॉर्मूला. तो आपको अगर डाउट था तो आप प्रॉब्लम नहीं, क्योंकि आपको टॉपिक नहीं हुआ है. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर, व्हेनेवर बॉडी परफॉर्म्स सर्कुलर मोशन इट रिक्वायर्स सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स, जिसका फॉर्मूला है m ओमेगा स्क्वायर r. अभी म्यूट कर लो अपने आप को. सो m ओमेगा स्क्वायर r मस्ट बी सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स. वो डिपेंड करता है वो लोग ने क्या दिया है, तो उसके साथ मैंने इक्वेट किया. अभी किसको किसको डाउट है? अगर ये फॉर्मूला उसने रट लिया है तो नहीं है ना? हेलो, है क्या डाउट?
No, sir.
So omega square, can I say it is proportional to r raised to minus 5 by 2 upon r? Mass is constant, इसलिए proportional sign में नहीं लिखा. This step clear? This step, yes Avan, clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear.
So omega square is r raised to how much? Minus 5 by 2 minus 1. Is it minus 7 by 2?
Minus 7 by 2.
Yes. So omega square is r raised to minus 7 by 2. Omega means 2 pi by time period. This is proportional to r raised to minus 7 by 2. 2 pi is constant or variable?
Constant.
Constant. So it will be 2 pi गया 1 upon t square proportional. Proportion डाल दिया मतलब सब constant को मैं proportional के साथ mix कर देता हूँ. r raised to minus 7 by 2. T square goes up. Can I say it is minus 2? Can I?
Yes, sir.
And minus minus दोनों side से can be cancel?
Yes, sir.
So final answer is p square proportional r raised to 7 by 2. ये एक टाइप का ऐसा सम हमेशा मैं एग्जाम में दूंगा ही आपको. ऑप्शन इज देयर, t square proportional r raised to minus 7 by 2 है plus
Yes,
7 by
sir.
2. Option
Option B.
Yes, very good sum, very important sum, frequently asked either in this chapter or circular motion.
Sir.
हाँ.
So I'm having some doubts in DPP2.
See,
So you
DPP
can discuss.
का doubt solving I will keep extra lecture,
Okay.
so that everybody can assess. Regular lecture में I'm avoiding because फिर अपना portion पीछे नहीं होना चाहिए ना.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thanks.
Because I will be giving you many sheets, so doubts will come. So all doubt solving I will keep in extra lecture. I will tell today only. I will tell before the ending when is your doubt solving. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Everybody is done? Yes, everybody has completed.
Done, sir.
Sum number 22. Two satellites are orbiting around the Earth in a circular orbit of same radius. Okay. One of them is 10 times greater in mass than the other. Period of revolution will be in what ratio? What is formula for period of revolution? Either you remember t square or
2
pi
pi
square.
root r by g.
Okay, very good. Or t equals to 2 pi root of r by what?
G.
G.
Capital R by g, you're telling?
Yes, sir.
No, that is only typical case if it is orbiting close to Earth's surface.
Close to also.
Otherwise, it will be 2 pi root of r cube upon g. That's why I don't remember this. I remember this square one. 2 pi root of r by g is only possible if it is orbiting close to the Earth's surface. Okay. Hello?
So where r plus h is considered as r.
R plus h will be considered as r, then only it will become this. No? Now, anywhere can you see there is mass of the orbiting satellite in the formula? T square is satellite ka time period, 4 is constant, pi square constant, r is orbital radius constant, g is universal constant, m is the mass of planet, not satellite.
Not there.
So, can I say time period of orbiting satellite is independent of mass of satellite? Can we say this much? Yes or no? Time period of orbiting satellite is independent of mass of satellite. Can we say this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that means whether mass is 100 times, 200 times, 300 times, time period of first and second are same. So ratio of T1 to T2 is 1. This one anybody who has not followed? Hello, everybody has followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please copy then. Yes, CET का favorite question. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
24. A satellite is orbiting around the Earth with period T. If the Earth suddenly shrinks, very good sound, Marcus. A satellite is revolving around Earth. If the Earth suddenly shrinks to half its radius, this is original position. Earth shrinks to half the original radius. Is the orbital radius changed if Earth is shrinking to half? This is satellite suppose, and this is Earth at the start. फिर वो लोग ने बोला कि अर्थ छोटा हो गया, सेंटर चेंज हुआ क्या? सेंटर टू सेंटर डिस्टेंस?
Yes, sir.
नो. तो टाइम पीरियड पे फर्क पड़ेगा?
No.
नहीं ना. So can I say by Earth's shrinking orbital radius is not changed. Therefore, time period will be constant. Time period will be constant. That is t. So it will remain same as t. That is given in option C. See, first make yourself satisfied, huh? Then you copy. Have you followed this concept? What I said? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got sir.
Good, good.
Done, sir.
Fine. Sum number 24. Four. This was 25th, 24th now. A body of 5 kg is taken in space, its mass become. What will change in space? बोलो एक दो जन तो बोलो. What will change in space? G will change ना, G है ना. ऊपर ऊपर जाएंगे तो G कम ज्यादा होता है ना. G will change. G change means who changes? Weight will change ना. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So mass is what? Constant ना. That means
Yes, sir.
mass will remain same 5 kg only. So wherever you take mass, mass doesn't changes. Gravitational pull changes. So weight changes. So it will remain constant. Next one, 25th. A satellite of mass m revolves around Earth in a circular orbit of radius r with velocity v. How much energy is required to take this satellite from orbit r to orbit 3r? There is one satellite revolving in circular orbit of radius r with velocity v. It is taken to another satellite, another orbit of radius कितना बोला है? 3r. How much energy must be supplied? So r1 is orbital radius r. R1 is somewhere here r, and r2 is 3r. What is energy supplied? First it is orbiting in radius r around Earth. Then we have to take in another orbit of radius 3r. What energy is supplied? This is question. First, have you followed what they have given question part?
Yes, sir.
So suppose energy in this orbit, example I am telling. Here energy is 10 joule and here energy is 12 joule. So how much extra we should get so that it goes from one orbit to another orbit?
2 joule.
2 joule.
Two
Correct.
joules.
2 joule. So that clearly gives me now hint. Whatever is total energy in lower orbit, first I should know that, and total energy in higher orbit, जो फर्क है उतना I should give no from outside. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So energy to be supplied is actually difference of energy into orbit. Is difference of energy into orbit. That means total energy at higher orbit minus total energy at lower orbit. Any doubt till this?
No, sir.
Formula for total energy, if you remember last class we did minus gmm upon 2r. तो इसको मैं 2r2 लिख देता हूँ. Minus of minus gmm upon 2r1. So this is minus gmm 2 into 3r minus minus plus gmm 2 into lower orbit only r. What is the LCM of 6r and 2r? This is 6r. This is 2r. What is LCM? Is it 6r?
Yes, sir.
So minus gmm, either plus 3 gmm you should get to make it 6r. So minus 1 plus 3 is 2 times gmm upon 6r, 2 into 3. So that means it is gmm upon 3r. है क्या ऑप्शन देखो जरा. gmm upon 3r है ऑप्शन.
Option C.
Option C, correct. Very important sum. If they say satellite at rest from one orbit is taken to another, तो potential का difference लेना. Revolving है तो total का लेना. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
If satellite is at rest, then its energy is potential energy. Then don't take difference of total. Then what difference you will take?
Potential.
Yeah.
Potential.
Correct, correct, correct. Absolutely right.
Done, sir.
Okay. Sum number 26. A satellite with mass of 500 kg, satellite with mass of 500 kg is in circular orbit at an altitude, that means height, equals to the radius. Okay. Because of air friction, satellite is eventually brought to rest, is brought to the earth surface. That means it falls to the earth surface and hits it with velocity of 20 kilometer per second. The energy absorbed by the atmosphere, energy absorbed means loss of energy we want due to friction, will be how much? Take G as 10 meter per second square and radius as 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. So satellite is revolving at height, falls on the ground. What will be the energy? Loss in energy. So loss will be nothing but energy at height minus energy at surface. Energy at height minus energy at surface. At height it has got total energy. At surface it has got kinetic energy by which it is hitting plus potential energy. Okay? This much clear? Hello? Hello? This much.
Yes, sir.
So total energy at height is minus gmm upon r plus h. This is half m velocity by which it will hit plus potential energy on the surface is minus of gmm upon capital R. So minus gmm upon r plus r, because height is given r, half mv square minus minus plus gmm upon r. Please copy this much, then I'm clearing.
It will be minus, no, because we are opening it that way.
So that's why minus becomes plus when you open the bracket.
Yes, yes.
This is twice of R, no? Total energy. Completed till this?
Yes, sir.
Now see, this is 1 by 4. This is 1. What is minus 1 by 4 plus 1? Can I say 3 by 4? Rest all are constant ना, ऐसा होगा ना, minus 1 by 4x plus 1x.
Yes, sir.
What is minus 1 by 4 plus 1? 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
So 3 by 4 gmm upon r minus half mv square. Capital G and mass of earth they have not given. We have to convert in terms of r and g. Can I write this is 3 by 4 r square g into m by r? Is it valid? If I write g into capital M as r square g, is it valid?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
1 r cancel. So 3 by 4 into r is given how much? 6 into 10 raised to 6. Is r same? 6 into 10 raised to 6?
6.4 into 10 raised to 6.
6.4. And g is given 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mass of the body 500. Correct?
Yes.
Yes,
Mass of
sir.
body 500. What is velocity given?
20
20.
kilometer per second.
20.
20 kilometer. Unit also check. 20 kilometer is how many meter?
1000.
2 into 10 raised to 4 we can write.
Yeah.
है ना 20 kilometer हो गया square. Please copy this much. Then I'm simplifying. You will get the answer now. Two point four into 10 raised to 10 minus 10 into 10 raised to 10. So minus 7.6 into 10 raised to 10. Minus indicates there is loss. So 7.6 into 10 raised to 10 option किधर दिख रहा है आपको? A option. Option A. Indicate?
Yes, sir. Done.